I grew up thinking love was earned, a scale that tipped with every turn. Who gives, who takes, who stands above, mistaking power for love. But something softer broke the frame, a quiet truth without a name, that every heart is born the same. No side to win, no one to blame. When I stopped counting what was owned, the walls between us slowly broke. I felt the warmth I couldn't see, the family inside of me. We rise together or not at all. No higher ground, no one to fall. Every voice belongs right here, in shared devotion, not in fear. Equality lives in the heart, where giving ends and love can start. Not my made deals or roles to play, just showing up the same way. I learned that giving has no price, no silent trade, no sacrifice. The more I give, the more I feel. What's real becomes more real, a bond that's deeper than a name, beyond the rules we once obeyed. A chosen kin, a living thread that holds the world together now. We rise together or not at all. No higher ground, no one to fall. Every voice belongs right here, and shared devotion, not in fear. Equality lives in the heart, where giving ends and love can start. Not my made deals or roles to play, just showing up the same way. Opens wider than before. A world rebuilt from care and trust, from what we give, not what we must. One human family learning how to stand together here and now.